One of the things that we love at LaundryJet is to get invited back to one of our customers' homes and actually find out from them exactly how they're getting on with their LaundryJet installation. And we were recently invited back to North London to the Fernandez family's home, and they told us about their experiences with their 5-port LaundryJet Pro system.
It's been extremely useful. I have 5 children, so it's helped me immensely with getting them to do their own, taking the laundry down. Instead of them taking it down 3 flights of stairs, they just put it in the chute and it gets there within seconds, so it's fabulous. It's given them some responsibility as well. It's extremely quiet. The only place you can hear it is in the basement, but other than that you have no idea when someone else is using it, so it's really good. I think it actually adds value to the house itself because it's such a unique thing to have in the property, and when people have come around to see the house, they've all commented on what's this new gadget that you have. The kids love it. They put their clean clothes down there as well because, you know, quite a fun thing to do. So it's all good. And I don't even have to tell them actually because they just use it as they go along. So it's fabulous, and yeah, no more requests every Friday night. Get your dirty laundry down. So it's really, really helpful. So it arrives here. And behind me I have my washing machine, so I just take it and put it straight into the washer, dryers, and laundry's done. And it's out of the way. Because it's in the basement, we're very fortunate that nobody gets to see all the dirty laundry or the laundry being clean. So it's a great little room, and it's a fantastic unit because it's quite quiet. I don't empty anything, and yeah. The fact that they don't have to be told, I can walk into their rooms, and the only thing I'm worried about is that their bed's made is just brilliant. And I don't even have to tell them actually because they just use it as they go along, so it's fabulous. And also, like, whenever you're carrying laundry, like masses of laundry, because we're such a large family, you tend to like lose bits as you're going down the stairs, and you put the washer on, you're like, damn, I've left a pair of socks on the stairs, whereas this, everything goes down. Haven't had any missing socks or any missing clothes, so it's fabulous. I was a bit worried at first because I have some expensive clothes, but put them all down there and sure enough they come out the other side. So it's really, really good.